Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Professor Kashif Bukhari at your service with a new topic that is very important for the students who are performing some business or who want to learn the communication. Actually, this is the world of communication where if you grasp the key to success, you need to develop your communication. Otherwise, no institution, no organization can work when communication is weak or not proper, or if there are barriers of communication. Our today's topic is horizontal and vertical flow of communication. Many students might not have heard these terminologies because we only know verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and the communication in effective way, or 7 C's of communication. But ladies and gentlemen, today I will let you know in a very easy way what is communication in horizontal and vertical flow. First of all, I would tell you what is horizontal and what is vertical. These two communications are fundamental types within an organization. These are the basics of any organization. Any organization which does not follow this cannot follow the business rules. They differ in terms of who communicates with whom and the purpose of communication. First of all, we'll discuss vertical communication. I still can remember a linguist. She was of the opinion that speech is a discourse. She produces a theory, speech act theory. Speech act theory, if you will definitely find out in a Google or somewhere, we'll definitely discuss it later. Today we'll cover our topic, speech act theory unfolds bottom-up and top-down theories as well. In vertical, it is the downward communication, P down, the position from upward to the downward. Communication is called vertical communication. From higher level to the lower level, it follows. For example, if somebody is Vice Chancellor for university, Vice Chancellor receives a letter from Secretary Education from the Governor. He receives letter, he delivers letter according to his hierarchy to his Board of Governors. Board of Governors deliver to the HODs. HODs will deliver it to teachers and teachers will deliver it to the lower level. It follows the hierarchical. For example, in army, we come to know that Lieutenant General, Major General, Brigadier General, then Brigadier, and then Colonel and Major and Captain, and then the Second Lieutenant, and then non-commissioned officer come. So it flows vertically. It involves information from higher level of the organizational hierarchy to the lower level. It is used to convey directives. For example, government has issued a directive that all the students who are suffering from pink eye disease, they are not allowed to enter into the college. It is a directive. It will be conveyed to the head of institutions. They will convey us these instructions. They will not directly communicate with us. And it will follow the hierarchy. Convey directives, policies. For example, the students, teachers are on strike because government have issued a policy that there will be no leave encashment. There will be cut in the pension as well. So, it is a policy made by the government, goals and instructions which are given from higher level to the lower level. We need to follow these instructions by our own. Bottom-up communication, then we come up the opposite of it. Top to bottom and bottom up communication, it is the reverse process of vertical communication. It is very helpful for any organization, top-down communication. How? From lower level to the higher level in organization. For example, students are given, employees are given, factory laborers are given the feedback pro forma or oral feedback. Okay, what do you think? The manager is working properly? Do you follow the instructions of a teacher? Can your doctor be a positive man? Or what do you think of him? Feedback comes from the lower level. it comes from the student labor level, then it reaches to the teacher, to the administration, to the higher administration, and then a conclusion has been made. It helps to provide feedback. Feedback is a key to success. If I will not be told by my higher ups my mistakes, my foibles, my shortcomings, how can it be possible that I can improve myself? Feedback will help me whether I am teaching according to the parameter or whether I am not following the instruction, or there is a gap or a barrier between teacher and student. So definitely I need feedback to make myself better teacher, better businessman, better Elon Musk. Then it suggests improvements or reports. For example, if some teacher is not communicating properly, in feedback you will write, so communication gap is there, his voice is inaudible, his voice is too loud, it cannot be conveyed to us very properly. It definitely helps in keeping management informed about what is happening in operational level. It helps to improve the operation. Operational level means the level of the students or the laborer. For example, in a sugar mill, the manager is sitting in the room or the owner is sitting at his own office. So how does he come to know that things are working properly? He will definitely take the feedback. That is not a vertical, that is bottom up and top down, right? The third one that is related to it is as well, diagonal communication. Some cases information may flow diagonally. For example, from boss to the employee, from employee to the boss. No, from one manager to another manager. Cross. It will cross from one student to another, one colleague to another colleague. It is not a straight line or the line from the bottom to top or top to bottom. It may cross department to department. We can discuss, for example, I am discussing the syllabus of chemistry with the syllabus of Kafute, the chemistry department. So it is a diagonal communication. Okay, sir, we are teaching in 4th semester scientific writing, but you are not teaching. So what is the reason behind that? So we can make the things better. This promote cross-functional collaboration and problem solving. Sometimes students face problem. For example, if I will introduce the difficult course in the very start, so it won't be able to give the proper results. So vertical from top to down, the top to up is upward, bottom up, and then horizontal or lateral communication. This is also very important type of communication, ladies and gentlemen. This type of communication occurs between individuals and departments at the same hierarchical level. It facilitates coordination, collaboration, exchange of information between peers and colleagues. Groups can share. For example, one project is given to you, you can discuss it to your seniors, to your juniors, to your colleagues, to your teachers, whatever. It is crucial for solving common problems. Sometimes, if the bus or the commutation is not proper, so we can discuss it with each other. For sharing knowledge and ensuring the various department works cohesively. For example, the transport department is working properly or not. For example, admission department is working or not. For example, commutation. So different departments are working cohesively, symmetrically, symphonically, orderly with each other or not. That is also a problem. Team communication, group make projects. Horizontal and vertical communication. I give you an example. For example, if there is not a proper sale or a proper working in the institution, we can use both methods of communication. As horizontal communication, it will come from the upper level. Horizontal communication, definitely it also comes from upper level, but it involves different people in a group to share things together to make a conclusion. We'll definitely discuss it more in the next lecture. Thank you very much for listening me. Please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and wait for the new lecture. Give also your comments as well. Thank you very much.